In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. And if you find it helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap on your profile icon once you log into your Instagram account. And your profile icon is on the bottom right corner here. Now, once you press on it, go ahead and tap on these three bars, and this will open up your settings and activity. From here, go ahead and look for the account center. Tap on it to open. Now, there are a number of activities you can do, and what we are interested in is account settings. So go to your account setting, and under it, look for what we call personal details. Tap on it to open your personal details. Now, under personal details, look for account ownership and control. This helps you to manage your account. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Then we have an option here to either deactivate or delete completely your account. Go ahead and tap on it to open the option. If you have more than one Instagram account, they will all be listed here. So go ahead and tap or select the one that you want. So I only have one, so I'll go ahead and tap on it. And we have here two options, either to deactivate our account temporarily or to permanently delete our account. So if you want to delete the account, go ahead and select the delete account option and then tap on continue. Then this will open up a page where you have to give a reason as to why maybe you are deleting your account, and then go ahead and select one of them and tap on continue to complete the process. The next thing you want to do is to tap on continue here. And this will take you to the last step where you have to enter your password and then tap on continue to confirm your deletion. Remember, this is a permanent process, and once you have deleted your Instagram account, you will not be able to regain it. So that's how you permanently delete your Instagram account. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.